factory. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you waited for. Been searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. And deep in your bones, there's a lake that you can't ignore. Taking a breath, still in your mind, and all it was real is left behind.
Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't get what comes after.
Your favorite dream, can't you see it getting closer? Just surrender, cause I feel the feeling taking over.
It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's a preacher in a pulpit and you find devotion. It's breaking at the brink of every wall, it's all you want to know. So tell me, do you wanna go? When it's coming on the color lines, when the runaways are running the line, possible comes true, it's taking over you. Oh, this is the greatest show. When it's coming on the color lines, when the runaways are running the line, possible comes true, it's taking over you. Oh, this is the greatest show. We light it up, we won't come down, and the walls can't stop us now. Watching it come true, it's taking over you. Oh, this is the greatest show. And you see that possible is going through. The walls can't stop us now. Oh, this is the greatest show. 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 This is the greatest show.
Walking like a man, hitting like a heaven, sexual and scam. Never was a cruiser, tasting like a white car. She's got some hood. Heavenly brown, Sarah's got an arm, spinning me around. Kissing is a corner, the love is a white dog. She's got some hood. She's got some hood.